How to recover permanently deleted Instagram accounts after 30 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if it's been over 30 days since you deleted your Instagram account, it's considered permanently deleted. But here's what you can try. Open your internet browser, navigate to search bar at top of your screen, type in instagram.support. Once you reach on the Help Center, tap on three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Select Manage Your Account, and then you need to scroll down. Look for the option of Signing Up and Getting Started. Scroll down to the bottom and select No from this Was This Helpful section. Select Other. Now on this text box, you can briefly explain your issue. You can copy the paragraph from any page about your feedback and make sure to include your Instagram username and email link to the account. You can easily tap the submit button, and if successful, Instagram may store or restore your account within 24 hours. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.